Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. Stock number is A6935. Starting right away up front, you have a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. The seats are clean all the way throughout. You have second row and third row seating, and your second row of seats are heated seats. Up top you do have a panoramic sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors and camera, and the Santa Fe is an all-wheel drive, so you won't be sliding all over the road on those wintry Wisconsin days. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control, as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Santa Fe on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.